Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled M82, Galaxy with a Supergalactic Wind. So what do we see here? Well, we see what is known as M82, or the cigar galaxy. Now, the galaxy itself is that little central portion in between the red and yellow color going off towards the top and the bottom. And we're seeing the galaxy edge on, and that's why it's a very thin pencil-shaped galaxy, sometimes known as the cigar galaxy for its distinctive shape. Now, it is also known as a starburst galaxy. A starburst galaxy is undergoing a burst of star formation, which is how it gets its name. And that could be caused by an interaction with another galaxy, that this galaxy interacted with another nearby spiral galaxy known as M81, and that could cause gravitational interactions, can compress gas and dust clouds, triggering more star formation, and that giving it the name of a starburst galaxy. Now, what we're seeing here in the other portions, the red and yellow colors going up above and below the galaxy, is what's known as the galactic superwind pushing out material, pushing out gas and dust from the galaxy. And it's thought that the superwind would be caused by the combined winds of many stars. So stars in general have a stellar wind. Our sun has a solar wind that pushes particles away. It was stronger when it was a much younger star, and it's kind of calmed down now. But if these galaxies are undergoing a great burst of star formation, then it is quite possible that the material could be expelled outward by the combined very intense stellar winds of all these newly forming stars. They push off above and below the galaxy. Remember, the galaxy is flattened into a disk. It's a lot easier to push material up and perpendicular to the plane of the disk than it is along the plane of the disk. So that allows this material, why does it go up and down? That's the easiest way for the material to travel. And material generally finds the easiest way, the least resistance, and that's what's going to happen there. If it tried to travel through the disk of the galaxy, it would meet much more material that would slow it down and inhibit its motion. Here, traveling in this direction, we can see the great stellar wind, in fact, superwind, pushing this material out. Now, this image contains images taken by the Hubble Space Telescope in visible light and the James Webb Space Telescope in the infrared, and all of that is put together to give us the image that we see. The filaments that we see coming out from the center are 10,000 light years or more in length. If we want to think about that, the distance to our nearest star from our sun is about 4 light years. This is 10,000 light years. That's a lot of material being pushed out over very great distances. So that was our picture of the day, titled M82, Galaxy with a Supergalactic Wind. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be stars and colors. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.